As we have created our sales and service data streams within Salesforce Data 360, let's try to create some sample records which we will use in future. So let's try to create a sample lead and a sample contact within Salesforce. To do that, we will go to Sales Cloud. Once we go to Sales Cloud, we will click on Leads option. This is the sample data which I want to keep in my lead. We have to specifically focus on email address which I am providing, which is harshitsuri26@gmail.com, because this will be used for profile unifications, which we will see in future videos. We will click on Save option. The same thing we can do with contact. We will go to Contacts. We will click on New Contact, and we will try to create a contact with the same email address. We can create a sample account and associate it with this contact, and we will click on Save option. As we have created a sample record in lead and contact, both records will be synced to Data 360 within 15 minutes. We have to notice that if there is no update to your data stream, like there is no new data within lead or contact, the data stream won't refresh. To check back results, we will have to wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of creating our records within lead and contact object, let's explore if these records are ingested within Data 360 or not. To do that, we can go to Data Explorer. From the Data Explorer, we can go to Data Model Object. Both Data Lake object and Data Model object for leads and contacts will hold that data. We can explore within Data Explorer. We can quickly explore Data Model object. We can open lead data model object, and we see all these leads available. To cross validate our lead, we can copy the lead ID from the leads URL which we have created. We can go and apply filter, add filter. We can apply filter on lead ID, and we can paste the value here and click on apply. We see that our lead is synced. To check if it is a correct lead or not, we can have leads name within our selected columns. So we can go to, we can have person name, and we can have lead ID. We can click on done option. We see that the lead is ingested within Data 360. Now to check which data model object is mapped to contact, we can open contacts data stream. We can click on review mapping option. We see that contact underscore home data lake object is mapped to account contact. So within Data Explorer, to explore our contact records, we will have to search for account contact. We can do same with contact. We can go to contact data model object. Now in Salesforce Data 360, contact is mapped to account contact data model object. We can click on account contact data model object. Within account contact data model object, we can filter the records with our contact ID. So now this is our contact. So we can go and filter out records with the contact ID. We can have account contact ID, and we can click on done option. we will see that the contact is available. We can click on edit columns and we can remove unnecessary fields, and we can have person name. So you see that the data within contact object is successfully ingested within data 360.